How to sell services on Wix. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell services on Wix. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Wix, you could also use my affiliate links below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Wix, it is a popular cloud-based web development platform that allows users to create professional quality website without requiring extensive technical knowledge, in which Wix offers intuitive drag-and-drop interface that enables users to design and customize their website easily. It provides a wide range of templates and design options catering to various industries and purposes including business, e-commerce, blogging, and personal portfolios. And now to get started, you could also click the Get Started button on the top right corner, or the Login button if you already have an account on Wix. And upon signing in, you will be able to be directed on this page. And from here, to create a new site, just click this button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, you will be able to be directed on this page. And from here, it will ask you to set up with AI or without AI chat. But in those options, I'm going to set up without AI. And after that, from here, just enter the type of website that you want to create. So for instance, the services that I'm selling is yoga class. So I'm going to enter here yoga. And after clicking yoga, it will show you the result. We have here yoga instructor, yoga studio, yoga event, blog, videos, and many more. But in those options, I'm going to choose this yoga instructor. Then just proceed by clicking the continue button in here. And after that, it will show you in here that your dashboard is now being prepared. So all you need to do is to wait for it to load. Then after that, you will be directed on this dashboard. And also from here, it will show you a pop-up window. All you need to do is to simply enter the name of your business or website. So I'm going to enter here yoga vods. Well, for the business address, you can simply enter here the address of your business. So for instance, my address here is Los Angeles. Then below, it will show you the result of this address. And all you need to do is to simply select your address in here. Then click the continue button below to proceed. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to set up your default working hours in here. So you can simply select here your available days that you can offer your services. And as you can see, I just enter here Monday to Friday. And for the starting time, I'm going to enter here or select here 7 o'clock in the morning at the start time. And we'll end at approximately 6 p.m. in here. And after that, just proceed by clicking the continue button to proceed. And the next thing that you need to do is to simply add the services that you want to offer. We have here open gym that you can simply check on these boxes to select. And aside from that, if you scroll down, it will show you other services including this training package, full day training, and many more. And after selecting all of the services that you can offer, just proceed by clicking the continue button right here. And now moving on, the next thing that you need to do is to add the staff members in your business. So all you need to do from here is to simply enter the name of your staff and email address, but that is just only an optional. Let's say for this staff member number 1, I'm going to enter here the name of the staff, which is named Julie. And for the staff number 2, let's say I'm going to enter here the name Mark. And after filling out all the required information, just click the continue button. Then from here, it will show you what else do you want to do with your business. You can offer a virtual session, accept online payments, accept in-person payments, and send even automated emails and SMS reminders. Also to manage your services and bookings on the go. Then click the continue button to proceed. And now, from here, you're now all set. Just click the continue to dashboard button right here. And after that, you will be able to be directed on this dashboard, where you can set up other details of your business. While on the left side panel, you could also navigate some other options right here, including the booking calendar. By simply clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed in here. In which in this calendar, you'll be able to see here all of your booking schedule that has been booked by other customers from a specific date and time. You can set up here for weekly view, and to add booking manually, you can simply click this add button on the top right corner and click appointment. But you could also add block time or class session if you want to. But by clicking this appointment right here, it will show you in this pop-up window that you need to fill out all of this required information, including your client name, email, and even their phone number. Aside from that, by clicking this manage button on the top panel, you can also edit services, go to stop, view work schedule, edit default hours, and many more. And aside from that, on the left side panel, by clicking this getting paid, you could also start setting up your payment methods or options. By clicking this connect payment methods, it will show you in this pop-up window that you can connect to your credit or debit cards, PayPal, or even manual payments. By clicking see more payment options below here, you'll be able to see here other payment options that you could also link your account or connect. You have here the choices including Afterpay, Affirm, Alipay, Bankful, Klarna, Point of Sale, and many more. So you can basically choose any kind of payment options that you can find or more convenient for you in here. And now, going back to the setup section right here, by clicking on it, you will be able to design your site by clicking this design site button on the top right corner. By simply clicking on it, it will show you in here that you can start designing your website using Generate Design with AI or Customize with a template. But in those options, I'm going to choose to pick a template. By clicking this button right here, we'll be able to be directed on this page, in which it will show us a variety of templates for yoga instructor or for the website that we're creating to offer our services. So let's say in those options, I'm going to choose this one right here. By clicking this edit button, we'll be directed on this page. And from here on this pop-up window, you could also enhance our website template using AI by simply entering here some details about your site. Then proceed by clicking Generate Site Text button right here. But to manually edit your website, just exit on this window. And from here, you will see on the left side panel some of the editing tools that you can navigate, including to add elements, add section, pages and menu, site design, and many more. And now to start, we can simply zoom in or have a bigger picture. And by simply selecting this quick edit button right here, it will show us on the left side panel that we can start customizing, including the section background, the strip background, the title of this website, by selecting on it and entering the type of website title that we want in here. So as you can see, I just enter yoga service in here, but you could also customize some other elements, including this background or column background in here by clicking change and click image if you want to. From here, you'll be able to start editing or choosing a specific image that you want to replace this picture or background in here. However, I'm just going to keep it that way, so I'm going back in here. But you could also change the layout by clicking this layout section on the top right corner. However, at this point, I'm just going to keep it that way. And aside from quick edit, you could also simply click to any of these element or part of your website, such as by scrolling down, you could simply click to this context and click edit text if you want to, or create AI text to start customizing the context in here, depending on your preferences, in which you have the choices to choose either a specific kind of font style, size, and even to make the context bold, italic, and underline, depending on your preferences. And aside from scrolling down, you could also visit other pages of this website template by clicking the page button on the top left corner, in which it will show you the list of the pages that you can find in here. And aside from that, you could also customize this template using the editing tools on the left side panel, including to add elements such as text, image, button, strip, decorative, box, gallery, menu and anchor, contact and forms, video and music, and many other elements in here. And aside from that, you could also add other section if you want to by clicking this add section right here. You could enter or add section including welcome section, about section, gallery section, and many more. And even customize your site design by clicking site pages and menu. It will show you all of the pages and menu that contain of these templates. And you could also customize each one of them. But if you're now done customizing your website, just click the publish button on the top right corner. And from here, it will show you your Wix domain, and by clicking save and continue, you will be able to save the website that you just created. And also, if you want to upgrade your account on Wix by clicking this upgrade button on the top panel, it will show you from here a variety of plans that they offer with its corresponding prices and list of benefits it included on each plan below here. But overall, that is just basically how you can sell services on Wix. Thank you.